Welcome to a new weekly forecast. A little later this week because I just wanted to give London Open a chance to create something, since if we just start with EUR USD, last week we pretty much continued inside of this range, so not much to really go over. But this week, potentially starting with something interesting. I mean, we're still inside the range, but at least the opening gap gives us something to trade. So I'll head straight down to the 1 hour where we can look closer at this opening gap. Obviously, we want to see price come back to fill this in. We can see that we've swept the high. Well, let's just go straight to the 5 minute. We can see it more clearly. We're sweeping the Asia high. We had this nice BOS. So now, potentially in New York, I don't trade outside of the London Open kill zone. So I want to see price just come back in New York and start dropping. You know, we have a nice gap over here. Not really over here, but so most likely we'll come up to this area. Into that fair value gap, or kind of in this zone as well, and then we might see a short just to fill in this area over here. So pretty interesting setup for New York today, but overall you could skip this because it is counter trend. Because what we do want to see overall, I still want to see those retracement longs. So even though 4 hour is bearish, as you can see, we've just been stalling over here, creating liquidity to potentially break out higher. You can see here as well, it's kind of just sweeping the lows over here, and then it's created that breakup higher. So if it reacts to this demand, we could push up higher and finally take out the liquidity, the 50% that we've been waiting for. But that's all reliant on seeing what price does here, because at the moment we are reacting to this supply still. So this is the key supply that we need to be able to break. It could just be reacting to this now and continue down lower, or just continue to range even. But yeah, my eyes will kind of be on this supply. So you could skip this short since it's counter trend and just wait to see if price breaks up past this, and then maybe later in the week you can take higher probability longs targeting 50% of this range. But yeah, once again on the 1 hour does look good, like we're starting the week strong, this bullish impulse. Just want to see what more of that bullish order flow holding, with the demand being respected and breaking like the supply over here. So let's take a look at GU as well. Did want to see this pushing up higher as well, but it's actually turned bearish. So I'm not interested in GU at the moment because we are not ready for retracement, so it could just keep dropping for now. We have this area of demand over here, which is probably the next place that it's heading to, since we've taken out this liquidity. Either after taking that liquidity, it is going to come break this minor structure, have the retracement, and then continue down, or it's just going to head down to this demand, bounce off of that potentially, then start retracing up. So for me, kind of just in the middle of nowhere, and just need to let GU play out a bit more, decide where it wants to react to. There's even a demand over here, but this is the lower one, so this will probably get liquidated. So yeah, let's just see where it bounces off of. For gold, this one has been a bit surprising. Obviously we were so close to the lows. I just wanted to see the lows being taken out and, you know, have that continued push lower, but it's actually returned back to the 50% level. So this is interesting. It's clearly just gone to take out liquidity. After that, it has found that bearish momentum. So will it hold, or will it continue to range? We have the supply that we're currently in, so let's just see if it will continue down lower from here. Let's take a look. Let's just clean this and let's look at the 1 hour. Also looks pretty clean for shorts. like taking out this liquidity, heading into this supply, so could give that push lower. Let's see on the 5 minute if there's any opportunities. We had Asia, we have London, potentially sweeping liquidity, but not the strongest bearish momentum because we didn't create a break. So for me, this is more rangy price and I would prefer to stay out of it. So yeah, overall, EU probably looks the cleanest for today. And for GU and gold the rest of the week, I would just wait to see what direction it decides. EU counter trend short available, but definitely looks good for potentially having that long breakout later on in the week. So that'll be it, and let's see how this week unfolds.